Alright, hello there folks. This is Spin Rush C1. This is for my YouTube channel. It's something that I do as a hobby. And today what I have here is an unboxing video, but it's not just your ordinary unboxing video. I mean, this is something that is part of the car build that I'm doing. As some of you may know, whether you're connect with me on Facebook or civicx.com. This is something that I've been working on for a long time. What we have is we're building a Honda Civic FK8 that's coming real soon. And actually, I've been in the process for about 7 or 8 months, just putting together all the things that I'm going to put on the car. But in these boxes here, this is a crown jewel. This is a cherry on top of my sundae. What we have in here, as you can see, I'll just bring it up a little bit closer. So this comes from a company called Raceseng, which is located in the United States. This company comes highly recommended if you're looking for a shift knob. And normally, like in my builds, I use a lot of JDM products, whether it's HKS or Greddy or, for example, Velside or Veris. But this is the first product that I've ordered from the United States. And again, this comes highly recommended. These guys have set the bar really, really high. When it comes to their designs, how they make the product, how they ship the product. And apparently there's a wow factor to this shift knob in here. And I'm about to open these boxes to find out just how exciting their product really is. Now, actually, you can see I have 2 boxes here because I went bonkers and I got like 3 or 4 different shift knobs because I'm like, haven't received my car, so which color is going to match the interior best. But if I don't use them, then I'll probably give them to some of my friends, or later if I do a giveaway on my YouTube channel, once it like kind of picks up momentum, if it ever does. Not a big deal to me, but yeah, let's not waste any more time. Let's see what's inside these boxes. So I'm gonna start with this one here. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to open the other box as well, so I don't have to do the same thing twice on video. Again, whatever you do to your car, as far as car mods go, whether it's an engine mod or an aero part, cosmetic mod, I mean, when you're driving a manual, your shift knob is probably the most personal item that you have in your car. I mean, you're going to come in contact with that all the time. And so this is probably the most important mod that you can do to your car if you're driving a manual. Okay, so again, this is nice. They give you an invoice here. And here's another one. I cut it. I'm not good with box covers. Oh well. Taking a look at the packaging. Okay. Just tilt that up so you can see that. Yeah. Definitely protecting the product. Couple boxes in there. Couple boxes in there. Alright. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now that's done. Of course, what we have here, one of these, this is the topology, and then here is a slammer, and here we have another slammer, and the last one here is a signature. Again, probably gonna swap out from time to time, but I really couldn't make up my mind. So yeah, I'll probably either give these away or I'll sell them off on eBay to another Honda owner. Okay, let's take a look at the signature first, because this is one of my first ones that I ordered. All of these were like custom order, and so I really didn't know what I was doing. And then I watched a couple more YouTube videos and I was like, wow, I may have messed that up. Okay, this is really nice. They got card in here about the racing story. Commenced when my grandfather started making race car parts because he knew he could design and craft something superior. 60 years later, my father and I uphold his conviction through racing. Whew. Let's continue. Pride. Alright, in the box here, and let me see if I can kind of tilt the camera down a little bit for you. I'm a little bit far from it, so I'm going to move forward just a little bit. Get closer. If any of you are wondering what kind of camera I'm using a DJI Osmo Pocket. It's really nice. It's got a Bluetooth connection, so I'm actually like, you can see that my iPhone is right next to me here, and I'm actually controlling the camera from where I'm sitting, which is really nice. Okay, so there is a string tie here, zip tie. All right. And then, of course, the adapter pieces here, and plus a shift collar retainer. And here is the first one. Also, I don't know if you can see it really clearly, but definitely that R mark is there. That looks really good. Once again, very careful packaging. And in here, ooh. Oh my God. This thing is heavy. Like, I could literally throw this and like break a window. It's that heavy. If I dropped this on my foot, it would hurt. I mean, this thing is heavy. I can feel it. Oh my. Okay, let's continue. In case you guys are looking at everything in the video, you can see the floor here. I live in Japan, so yeah, we have sliding doors in the house. Okay, look at that. Wow. You can see that. Hold on, I'm just twisting up. See it right there? God, that's beautiful. That's red gloss right there. And of course, you don't have to worry about that shift knob getting hot. It's really nice, but it's a lot heavier than I imagined. I mean, yeah, that's great. I mean, take a look at the bottom. Okay, it's really good there. Again, just to give you an idea, you know, I've got really big hands. I mean, this thing is huge. Okay, really beautiful. I love it. It's gorgeous. I love the way that it's cored out. Let's see if I can get it all the way up to the camera there. Yeah. Sorry, I'm looking at my iPhone. Okay, it's getting really nice. I like that. It's red gloss though. And again, whenever you're doing something with your car, you're always trying to match the interior. And now we're going to take a look at another one. Now this one here is also a red gloss. But this one, I believe, is the Slammer. Let's take a look. Once again, I'm not going to go through that process again. This one just has a regular adapter because the shift collar thing I don't really need. I only need one of them. Again, very heavy, nice packaging. Let's open this up. Pull it out. Okay. That is a really beautiful red gloss. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these here in just a second. Line them up. Actually, let me get the other one out. I'm going to bring the camera in a lot closer so we can have a look at them. Alright. So 2 more. Yeah, I know, pretty crazy. But why did you buy all these shift knobs? Because I could not decide what I was going to really like, what was going to match in my car. Alright. This one is another slammer. But this one is the translucent red. And oh my god, I don't think the camera is going to capture that look. I'm going to try. Oh, wow. Yo, that, oh my goodness. This is like Infinity Stone or something. It's like something Thanos would put on his glove. Like, yeah, I got an Infinity Stone. This is really beautiful. Okay. And one more. Last one. And the last one is the one that I'm most likely going to use. Okay, so I'm really looking forward to this one. Pull this out. Yeah. Now this one's a little bit lighter than the others. This is the one, I think. Oh my god. This is the one. Yes. This is it. Yeah. Show it to you. The topology. This is the winner right here. Without a doubt, this is the one that I plan on using. Okay. So let me grab this camera here and show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, let me get my... So again, this is the Raceseng model here, the signature model in a red gloss. And I do like that gloss color. It is beautiful. As well as the slammer here. I mean, oh my god. Craftsmanship. Showmanship. Gosh, I gotta get this camera to zoom in on it properly. Yeah, they look great. Okay. And then we slide on over here. And once again, I think it's good to have them side by side because now you can see the difference between the red gloss, just a bit matte, and then going over here, that translucent, and oh, the shadow, the shadow's not helping it. Once again, red gloss and a translucent. I noticed a difference there, like just moving the camera over it, you see the way the light goes around it. Just play with that a little bit there. Oh, that's gorgeous. Let me do it to this one as well with the translucent. And now with the matte, the gloss. Doesn't happen like that, okay? So it's a very, very different effect. And translucent is the winning combination there, especially this topology with that grip. Oh god, looks so good. You can't lose. Really gorgeous. Alright, so those are the shift knobs that I went with, and again, I highly recommend Raceseng. I just haven't seen anything else like this. I mean, you go to your local shop where you go to buy your parts or, you know, little accessory items for your car, and they always have like some half decent or cheap stuff on the shelves. You know, like you get the carbon shift knob, you know, it's always sitting there, always waiting for you. And that's because it's really common. But if you're looking for something that is going to make your car, you know, that unique look, you know, when people get in like, where did you get that? Where can I get this? Yeah, then you know that you made the right choice. Yeah. Anyway, those are my new shift knobs. Next time you see them, they'll be on the car. All right. You guys have a good day. Thank you.